tomorrow, Chinatown, Bangkok Amulet Market. We picked up a station just like that. I think we got lucky. What is happening here? Okay, so breakfast done.
Yes.
Amulet Market, next up.
Yes.
You ready?
Yes, I felt good for that.
Open cup. And then you can really look at all the little details, how it's been carved, and try to find the imperfection and the perfect piece. Cup and cup.
It's really like Buddha heaven.
It is Buddha heaven. So that was the Amulet Market. I hope you enjoyed it.
So beautiful, I really liked it. I really like how many different there were and how you could feel that the energy was so calm in there, and I liked it.
We're just walking. We're not going anywhere. Should we just take the boat? So we're going to a Chinatown, get some food. Probably going to be like 5 minutes. We're not that far away. But it's an easy and extremely cheap way to go fast around Bangkok. But of course you stay around the water. It's fresh and relaxing.
How many people? Okay, stand by.
2.
Okay.
Is there a dish you'd like to try in Chinatown? Something special? Or...
No. I just haven't been to a lot of Chinatown, so I'm looking forward to experience it.
That was a quick ride.
Oh yes.
Little free stop. Chinatown, here we're coming.
Oh yes.
Should I get a little gold chain? No, but to put my pendant on.
Ah.
Looking for tellers, give us a mission. What is happening here? Ah, that's special deal, very cheap price. Everyone is jumping on everything. Gold everywhere, food everywhere except in my belly, and I'm hungry. Amazing one, look at that crispy pork. Crispy pork. What do you think you have in the bottom of the soup?
Some different kinds of ensign, I think. I don't think it's vegetables, no. What should we do? Should we take the flight or the bus?
We should fly.
Yeah.
And it saves so much time. It's 1 hour or 14 hours, potentially more.
Oh my god, there's a long queue now.
There's a huge queue. And then it says ordering. The smell of that smells like burnt caramel. It's not extremely nice. Fish smell, ginger smell, tea smell, every kind of smell. I love it. One here on the left. I'm up for a little coffee. I'm sitting nicely up there looking at the water. Perfecto. That's a nice little alley.
That's good.
Good coffee in Thailand.
Yes.
We're back on the boat. For a good half an hour, 40 minutes. We just decided to get out now. And we picked up a station just like that. We're like, next one. And then a lot of people went out. And there's a huge market. Big street. I think we got lucky here. Like there's shop on every side.
ฉันขอคิดขอสร้างแม้จะตายอย่างมหาคุณรู้ไหมเงินตรามันทำให้
No itinerary, just food and smell. It smells incredible. Seriously, food-wise, like you're in paradise. You cannot get fresher than that. Turtles and frogs. Not used at all. It's only us. It's only us. Hello. Oh. How much? You sure? It smells so good. It's warm. Oh, lolo. Couple cup. It's incredible. Every stop we make, it's just food everywhere. Food. I really love Thailand. The smell. People are looking at you. We walk in this little market. We're just walking right now. They were like, what are they doing here? What are they doing here? That's how we love to travel. So we're back on the boat. Back on the boat. Going back in the city.
Rama 5 Bridge. Rama 5 Bridge. For passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit.
There's people everywhere juggling, playing badminton. People there with their telescope, trying to see this beautiful half moon. People eating, people having good talk. There's a little market right there. We can get some food. It's joyful. It's lovely. There's a good vibe, good energy. Get some fried. I don't know what is that, but it's fried. It must be good.
Oh, is the hotel this way?
What?
Is the hotel this way?
No.
It's that way.
Yes. Let's keep on walking that way. It's beautiful. And one crazy thing is, since we arrived, I haven't drank I haven't smoked cigarette, but no weed. I was a heavy smoker, and being in Bangkok, no kidding, you have shops everywhere. When you go San Road and all this big tourist things, shops are every 10 meter. It is crazy. But I'm so happy. There's so much to see, so much to taste, so much to eat. I haven't been triggered at all. Not even for alcohol, not even for weed. It's just, life is good. I feel like it's behind me. We have Chiang Mai coming.
Yes.
Every bus have
So bad reviews.
the worst reviews ever. Worse than our last worst review bus experience.
Yeah.
So we are a bit like, okay, what are we doing? Are we gonna fly or are we gonna try the worst review bus again? We're in doubt. So we decided to just walk a little bit, think about it, and take a decision. No rush decision, that's for sure.